Looking for the perfect lighting to transform your bedroom? Whether you want a cozy vibe or a bold statement, these 10 bedroom lighting ideas will set the mood and brighten up your space. Keep watching to find out how to light up your room in style. Table lamps are a must-have in any bedroom, offering soft, intimate lighting that's perfect for reading or relaxing. Opt for warm-toned bulbs and fabric shades to create a soothing nighttime glow. A ceiling light anchors the entire bedroom design. Whether you prefer a geometric modern fixture or a luxurious chandelier, ceiling lights set the tone for your room. Use spotlights to highlight key features in your bedroom, like artwork or architectural details. Adjustable spotlights let you focus the light exactly where you need it. Soft, glowing lights can turn your bedroom into a romantic retreat. Consider using warm lamps or string lights for that perfect calming glow. These lighting ideas can transform your space into a cozy retreat or a dramatic showstopper. Curious to see what lighting style fits you best? Take our fun style quiz by clicking the link in the description. Pendant lights are a great way to add a soft glow to any cozy corner. Hang them by your bed or use them to create a stylish nook. A chandelier is the ultimate statement piece in any room. Whether it's a dramatic, crystal-encrusted design or a more minimalist approach, chandeliers bring a touch of glamour to your bedroom. LED lights are perfect for creating mood lighting with minimal effort. You can place them under furniture, along the edges of your bed, or behind shelves for an extra touch of magic. Go beyond basic lamps and create character with decorative light fixtures like sculptural lanterns or nature-inspired lights. These fixtures double as art pieces that bring personality to your room. Wall sconces save space, provide ambient light, and highlight features like artwork or mirrors. Swing arm sconces offer task lighting without occupying space. Add some quirky fun with floor lamps or neon signs that reflect your personality. These lights not only brighten your room, but also act as playful art pieces. Which of these lighting ideas would you love to try in your bedroom? Subscribe for more design tips, trends, and creative ideas to transform your space, because your dream bedroom is just a light away.